Kublai shubuni phi baro ki parlo ki bijupen ikne ke channel na kapor chagapor agane ke video ngidan ban wanra ya ki post ki balai apo jong ke district social welfare officer Southwest Khasi Hill district Mawkyrwat ki number of post ki balai ki long kini kidan santli hangne ki post kawai ke post na gabantai kini ki post account assistant multitasking staff counselor district child protection unit project coordinator child helpline case worker but child helpline thegi bukwa ban apply sumpa ban dapen ikni ke video na do bestang do pantukun nang ba pentep kuno kar ban apply ka district level committee hub for empowerment of women DHEW and the district selection committee mission Vatsalya Southwest Khasi Hill district Mawkyrwat ke khat application nak bantaki eligible candidate ban pendam ya kini ki post ki balai ki bade ke contractual basis apo jong ke district hub for empowerment of women DHEW and the district child protection unit Southwest Khasi Hill district Mawkyrwat Keduration kedesius nam nak bentak kene ke post bat kita ngelak ban extend ya kene ke post. Ka number of post recently kini kita kerteng jong ki post accountant, assistant, salary arpu hijar, multitasking staff, kat lai hijar, counselor district child protection unit, kat prajar, san spotlight pendriu, project coordinator child helpline, lai hijar, case worker child helplines, kat sawajar hak shibenai. Last date ban apply kede Laitkam Julai hajar pendriu naga bantaki jingte ba company phila ban page na po website jong kane ke district bat ka rukom ban apply kede dingba ka offline te pihak ban submit ya ke application ki jong phi hapo jong kane ka office jong kane ka district hub for empowerment of women district child protection unit hapo jong ka DC office jong kene ka Southwest Khasi Hill district Mawkyrwat e phila ban check na po jong kene ka website jong kene ka district hak bai dei bat ki jing tep ba company te kene ki video ngidan ban wan ra ip thank you ki jing tep khublai shibon